Most people get this wrong when filing their Delaware LLC annual report. They assume Delaware LLCs have the exact same filing rules as other states. But here's the truth no one tells you. Delaware has a different system, and thousands of business owners get confused every year. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Delaware LLC owners actually need to file in 2026, the deadlines you cannot miss, and the fastest way to stay compliant without paying unnecessary penalties. First, here's the important part. Delaware LLCs usually do not file a traditional annual report like corporations do. Instead, most Delaware LLC owners are required to pay an annual franchise tax. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many new LLC owners panic, searching for a missing annual report form that does not even apply to them. If John formed a Delaware LLC for his online business, he may only need to pay the annual LLC tax to remain in good standing. So let's walk through the process step by step. Go to the Delaware Division of Corporations website. Look for the section called Pay Taxes or Entity Filing. Then enter your Delaware LLC file number. You can usually find this on your formation documents. This is where most people fail. They wait until the last minute and realize they cannot find their file number or business details. Save your ALC documents in a secure folder before tax season arrives. For most Delaware LLCs, the annual franchise tax deadline is June 1 each year. Missing that deadline can trigger penalties and interest charges very quickly. But here's the problem. Some business owners think paying federal taxes automatically covers Delaware requirements. It does not. Your IRS taxes and Delaware LLC franchise taxes are completely separate obligations. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid suspension problems. Before that, let's talk about payment. Delaware usually charges a flat annual tax fee for LCS. The amount can change over time, so always verify the latest number directly on the Delaware state website before submitting payment. The payment process itself is usually simple. Once your LLC information appears, review it carefully, enter your payment method, and save the confirmation receipt immediately after submission. Now here's the easiest trick to stay compliant forever. Set 2 reminders every year. One reminder 30 days before the deadline, and another 1 week before. Jake missed his deadline once because he relied only on memory, and the late penalties added up fast. Also remember this. If your LLC operates in another state, you may still have additional filings outside Delaware, depending on where you do business. So to recap, most Delaware LLCs do not file a traditional annual report. Instead, they pay an annual franchise tax before the June deadline, keep business records updated, and save proof of payment. If this video helps simplify the Delaware LLC filing process for 2026, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with the next state you want covered.